ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ. How many days our work has happened here? Does it look like any work has happened in last 2 months? It looks like that? ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ 1 ವರ್ಷ, ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಅಡಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ 1 ವರ್ಷ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನು 4 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ, ನಿಮ್ದು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Does it look like any work has happened any time? That end, you close that end. Why are you closing this end? For 1 pier, why you are closing 1 kilometer? If you have problem in 1 pier, why you are closing the road?
Come to the level of
That means only after 1 pillar you have to put the other pillar. You can't put all the pillars same time. Where is it going? I don't see any pillar activity for 1 kilometer.